Hello, in today's video, you will learn how you can add your dependents during the US visa appointment booking on the AVITS portal. So basically, this is the live screen of a logged in portal. So you create new portal, you create new application rather, you pick your country of origin. For this case, we're using Nigeria, Lagos or Abuja. I mean, anyone that fits you, or any location you're trying to log in from. Then you go to appointment services, click on it. It takes you to the visa type. For the purpose of this video, we'll be using a non-immigrant visa option. Then visitors visa, you can also select as that applies to you. Then it takes you to the page where you pick in the type of the visa, B1, B2, or B2, which one speaks to you. Then this is the first thing you would see. After that, add applicants to your application. So this is where you add multiple applicants, but then you continue to watch to know what happens at the end, how you can make the final payment also. So for the purpose of this, I just pick one child and one adult. If you have multiple, then you just select and you click proceed. Then of course you provide the details of the applicants you'll be adding to it. So you just watch how this is going to be done. So we've been able to add the first applicant. You could see here, Travel with K, which is the demo name. Then we'll proceed to input the second applicant details, just like the first time we did. But then here, for the sake of the video, I'll be using the same. I'll kind of edit the DS160 so it doesn't confuse you. But the DS160 confirmation number is actually unique to each applicant. So don't use the same number for each applicant, right? Don't use the same DS160 form. Fill separate form and continue with the application. So as you can see, the two dependent details have been added. Then you just proceed to generate the receipt for the payment for the visa fee. So just click proceed. Just confirm and proceed. Then you have options of course, either paying in USD card or you're paying in bank deposit. I have a video of how you can pay, the options available to pay visa fees. You can also watch it on my channel to make that to just reference if you need that kind of information. So you of course click no. Then you can see that the payment has been summed up, right? So ideally this payment is around 288,600 or so. So if you divide it by 2, it gives you that figure. So, but then the payment for the applicant and the two applicants have been summed up. So this is what you're going to pay, at the bank. So of course you click generate. Once you generate, then you get the slip. So of course you take this slip to the bank to pay, or you make an online deposit, either ways that's convenient for you. After you've been able to do that, basically you just wait for I think a week, most likely maximum 2 weeks. But for visitors visas, yeah, it takes just a week for the payment to be reflected so that you can make the booking for the applicants that you've selected. So you and your dependents you can make the bookings provided you've been able to pay the visa fee. So that's how you actually add dependents to the visa application on their VITS portal. So I hope this video has been very, very helpful. Please, if you've found it very helpful, please like, please share, please also subscribe. So thank you very much for watching. If you have questions or clarifications, please drop in the comment section. I'll be looking out for them and also providing guidance or helping you with additional information that this video might have not shown to you. Thank you and have a great day for wherever you're watching from. Bye bye.